Today I received the current Cruz Azul jersey from Minejerseys. Um, yeah, so this is it. Got it in size medium. Postage was like, I think 3 weeks, something like that. But yeah, it's really good. You've got this here, which I think's been ironed on. Quality's all good. Stitching's really good. It's got the tags here, as you can see. So all good there. Got the sponsor there, it's been ironed on. Club patch and the sponsor there. You can see there. It's really good. Comes with the tag here as well. And yes, there's a bit of a pattern to it on the side. As you can see, really nice. And there's like here as well. Really good, so yeah. Good quality jersey, nothing wrong with it. Then you've got the back, so just plain. It's quite good. It's been sponsor there's been printed on the back, so as you can see. Yeah, no, it's a good jersey. Really happy with it. This is the third jersey. So